If you don't know about how can I temporarily hold my AdSense payment and how to increase payment threshold in Google AdSense account, in this video I'm going to show you how can I do this. Hello friends, I'm Prajan and you are watching now MISSIONTOP computer. So let's begin our tutorial. Now here you can see dashboard of my Google AdSense account. Now I'm going to open payment settings. In my payment settings, now I'm going to change my payment schedule, and here you can see the payment threshold is $100. Now I'm going to increase this payment threshold to $110 US, and now I'm going to set payment schedule in this date. Now I'm going to save the settings. Okay, now here you can see the payment threshold has been increased to $110 and the payment has been held to pay out until August 15. And after complete the payment profile settings of Google AdSense account, you have to receive email from Google AdSense like this. And in future you want to change your payment profile settings to default, you can do it anytime. Now I'm going to show you my payment settings status. Here you can see the payment threshold has been increased and payments are temporarily held for myself. I hope you understand this video. If you have any confusion in this video, please leave the comment in comment section below. And if you like this video, please like and share with your friends. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'll meet with another video. Till the next video, bye bye, namaste.